Hi, to replace the ink cartridge of Canon TR4500 series printer, the first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door. Now there is another door as well. I'll show you here. So ink cartridge lies behind it. Once you open it, ink cartridges will come into the middle. Now we can take them out one by one. So press and hold downwards. You can see this is the black ink cartridge number 243 and the color ink cartridge 244. Same way we can insert them back. So just push it in and it will lock itself. Similarly for the black, just push it in and it will lock itself. Now close the chamber. Now we can also check the available ink level. So I'll show you on the screen how to check that. So click on the setting option and look for the ink, and that is like the ink cartridge information. So ink information, and here you will see once you click it on, it will show you the details here. Thanks for watching.